Good evening. I am the final year's business student starting in Curtin, Singapore. My name is CAOYULIANG. My major is international business. And this presentation, I will show through these three areas. First is employability and self-assessment. Second, my experiencing in the enhance your business mind. Third, my three outside plans. Yes, also, sorry, reflection on employability. I complete this self-assessment in week 1 and week 12. The most important thing I find in this self-assessment was not the change of the numbers, was the meaning behind them. The employability depend on the situation. The scores change reflect the deeper understanding of myself, not just my skill or not just my scores. So at first, I saw the reader and the capability chart as a target, but later on, I find that this guide of the action. I kind of push myself to moving. So after that, I understand more clearly the difference between across the skills. Yes. And also understand the slightly drop in the scope doesn't mean much. It actually just means my professional standard have become higher after the years of the teamwork and the public engagement. Then I focus on the goal driver learning and the team communication, because they are most important employability. Second, I start to use the make content approach. So I put every piece of work into my portfolio, and then I added evidence, review, and monthly note in it. After that, I also add the informational interview in it as well, as a real account, not just text. So lastly, I manage my digital presence carefully to create my professional online image. So as a result, it's a clearly feedback loop. Every new works boosts my confidence, and my decision were based on evidence, not just feeling. This unit taught me how to make the reflection as a habit. Its structure includes in the outside planning, weekly teaming, and land goal activity, and also the self-reflection. This really tests me as a sample in your group. So early on in this class, there was like conflict about the rules and standards. So I introduced the short written teams agreement and regular check-ins and structured yes. And this improvement teamwork right away to give me a particular models I can use to start to manage the teams and in the future. Outside planners. Outside framework help me to see more career option to give me the clearly way to discuss the risks and opportunities. Designing the 3 different paths make me spread the job I can get now from the future identities I want to build. I also learn to fix my weakness, such as like I spend too much time to do the research, to preparing the work, and not enough time to producing the results. To fix that, I started set a small target, clearly target with deadline and owners. This class was like this EYBM class was like a real world lab where changing my manners quickly lead to the visible behavior change. Starting business was a right choice because it gave me a skills I can use globally. At first, I didn't value the evidence. I kept myself private. But after that, I shared to the public, and then I asked for the feedback, turn to learn into a career value. Also, my time management also improved after I started planning backward from the deadline and setting the calendar reminders. I'm enjoying the multiple environments, and now I see the social connection as a part of employability. My main path is international business. Yes, then will be my future career plans. So my main path is international business. In the following 3 months, I will finish my portfolio, and I will research at least 6 informational interviews and publish and market briefing. After that, in the next half years, I will aim to get the job strategy or insight through in the Asia. So, and then adventure consulting will be a set from support certification and business to business workshop. Then global in last live 3, the global entrepreneurship will a long-term experiment, building the evidence over time. For me, after 5 years, I want myself to remember my direction is the only way to measure, to program myself, is know my job title. And always listen, remember, add new work to your portfolio each month. Treat your digital business as part of your professional record. Always keep 10B and read versional experiments each year. If a month, and lastly, if a month goes without evidence, or the year without public talk, adjust your past immediately. So in conclusion, my degree has transformed the way I work. My employability to give me a clearly reflection. The EYBM class test me skills in team. Outside plans help me my career into the 3 clearly plans. And that's all. Thank you so much.